Hi guys! How are you? So, anyways, sabi ni Austin, vlog ko daw siya kasi gusto daw niya mag-abre-abre. So guys, ito lahat yung pinamili ni Austin, yung after Thanksgiving sale sa Amazon and kung saan-saan pa. Black Friday daw niya. So, I think sa akin dyan, mga 2 pieces lang yata. The rest, kanya. So, and the cats daw. So, gusto niya mag-abre-abre. So, oh, let's go check out kung ano bang meron ka. So, what is this one? Ito guys, TV. He ordered a new TV for the bedroom. And, I think akin to. Yan o. It's like a huge barbecue grill. Now for uling, for charcoal. Because I love barbecuing, guys. Using charcoal. And then, this is for me. And that's for the sofa right there. So, alin ang bubuksan mo una, Austin? Mag-aabre-abre ka. Sige, maupo lang ako. Guys, if you want, you could subscribe to Austin's channel. It's Austin's Phil-Am Life. Yung Phil-Am niya is with an F.
Oh,
Phil-Am Life.
I think I'm giving this to my mom.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
That's for your mom. O sige, akin na. That's for Austin's mom. Thank you. Yan. For Austin's mom yan. And the flag. And what else do you have there? Yung interesting para hindi sila maboard. Ano bang interesting dyan?
So in case for a new tablet.
Case yan for his new tablet. Okay.
Some more.
Ano pa? Ano yan? Tingnan natin. Ano kayo yan, guys? Mag-abre-abre din daw siya. What is that?
It's a bumblebee toy.
Bumblebee toy. Oh my goodness. Kaya guys, sinasabi ko kanya lahat yan. Akin lang yung barbecue.
One bumblebee toy.
Okay, that one. What is that?
Okay. This is Inabachu.
Ah, for the cats.
So this
Okay.
is their favorite treat.
Favorite treat nila. Akin na. Favorite nila yan.
Some Ring cameras were on sale, so I'm installing more.
More
So we
Ring
can
cameras for the house.
So we can see the cats more. So I need
Yeah,
to
just put that in the
on.
box. Just leave it in the box.
So
Akin na. Give me the box here. Thank you. And what is that? Guys, no, for a guy, mahilig si Austin mag-shopping. Usually, ang mga mahilig mag-shopping, di ba, mga babae. Ano na naman yan?
Thundercat sweater.
Oh my goodness. Thundercat sweater. Austin, kalalaking tao, mahilig mag-shopping yan. I know, what is that one?
I got these for you, fellow.
You got that for me?
Yeah.
What is
hopefully
that?
It fits you.
Ano yan? Oh, Mary Jane's. Kasi, guys, I only wear dresses. Kaya hilig ko
It's a
magsuot
wide
ng Mary
one,
Jane's.
so hopefully-
Oh, wow, was that supposed to be my surprise? Dapat, yan mo ba yan? I-gift wrap mo
No,
ba yan?
hindi naman to for...
No? Oh,
I
okay.
just bought it.
So, yay! I have new black shoes. Ah,
Hopefully
sige.
it fits.
Hopefully it fits. Guys, ano pala, FYI, malaki ang paa ko. You know gaano kalaki ang paa ko? I'm a size, it's weird, I'm a size 10 sa sneakers ng mga lalaki and I'm also a size 10 sa shoes ng babae. Dati, when, before my feet, it used to be just 8.5. Tapos naging 9. Ngayon naging 10 ako kasi naging flat-footed ako eh. From standing, you know, sa work.
Cat food.
What's that? Cat food?
So itong
Guys, so,
favorite cat food ni
ito mga
Quincy.
favorite cat food ni Quincy, wellness signature, ano yan, grain-free and organic.
Was on sale for Black Friday, so I bought a lot.
Oh, that's good. Kasi guys, hindi ba si Quincy at saka si Ellie Ragdoll sila? So yung mga chan nila, like, very sensitive. If you feed them, like, ibang brand, siguro mga after like a minute, nagsusuka sila. So, yan lang talaga yung food na pinapakain namin sa kanila is yung wellness brand. Kasi guys, wala naman kaming anak. So, yan ang mga anak namin. So, we give them the best food as much as possible. Kasi,
Bought a new
Ano yan?
vacuum cleaner for the car.
for the car, ano nangyari sa binili mo bago
This is
dati?
a nice one.
Ayan, diba? Oh my goodness, kung ano pinagbibili mo. Okay. So,
A
ayan
nice
guys.
one for the car.
Dadali mo sa Philippines to?
No.
Hindi.
For the car
Okay.
here.
So, vacuum cleaner for the car. That's good. Cordless daw, guys. Hindi na nakikita yung Christmas tree, guys. So, kasi nakakalat to. Siguro it's been here for like almost 2 weeks. Padami ng padami. What else do you have? Yung interesting para hindi ma-board yung mga guys. Okay, what's that one?
Here's your apron.
Oh,
Or
my
the-
black apron. Para pag nag-garden ako, I have...
Like a bear.
Oo. I need that. Kasi guys, pag nag-garden ako, I need like an apron that has pockets para sa sa gardening shears. So, there you go. Pwede na ako mag-open ng coffee shop. Meron na akong apron ng mga baristas. Alam mo guys, sabi ni Austin, dapat kinontent mo na lang to for Christmas. Para marami tayong i-open sa Christmas. Yan, we got that from Costco. Mga body wash siya. So, I'm planning to give that away. So, ano yan? Ano pa yan? Ano yan? Abre-abre si Austin. What is that one?
Oh, this is the new tablet.
Bumili ka ng tablet? Kaya pala may case ka. Kasi bumili ka rin ng tablet. Oh my. Pakita mo sa kanila. Guys, tablet ni Austin. Mahilig siya mangulekta ng tablet niya. Ano yan?
That's the new color.
It's green. And then you have a case. Dadali mo ba yan sa Philippines? Iwan mo yan dito. Okay, what's next? What's next?
Usually the bigger one.
What's next? What's next?
It is a toy.
That's a toy? Oh my goodness, guys. You need to fix your room. Ang dami mo ng toys. Ano to, guys? Ano to? Ano to? Let's see. Ano na naman yan?
So Wolverine.
Oh, ayan, guys.
McFarlane.
Wolverine. McFarlane. Wow, that's pretty.
Yeah, it's based on this comic book.
Yan yung Christmas gift mo sa sarili mo. Ang dami mo namang Christmas gift sa sarili mo. May TV pa siya, guys, oh. Tapos mo yan. Oh my goodness, Austin. Oh, sige. What else? What else? Ay, barbecue ko na yan. Huwag mo nang buksan yan. That's my barbecue, guys. Yung barbecue grill. Meron kaming barbecue grill sa labas na gas, pero I really prefer... No, it's okay kasi mahirap pang ibalik yan. Pero I really prefer yung ganyan, guys. Yung charcoal. Ako lang yata ang kilala kong babae na mahilig talaga mag-barbecue. I love barbecuing, guys. Parang relaxing sa akin yun. I like to marinate yung... i-marinate yung mga meats, yung mga satays. Tapos, magpa-barbecue ako. Nare-relax ako. I don't know why, pero, ano naman yan. I think, guys, this is for the cats. Supplies.
This is what we feed them all the time.
Yan, ito yung cat food ng mga kitties, guys. It's wellness. Complete health. Indoor. Yan.
We feed them.
Yan yung cat food ng mga kolokoy. Which is, they're over there, oh. Ellie. Ellie. Baby girl. Baby girl, say hi. Guys, si baby girl, kita mo, ang laki-laki ng katawan, ang liit ng ulo. What's that other one? Ano naman yan? Abre-abre. Come here, Quincy! Come here, come here! Come here. Guys, ayan si Quincy. Here's Quincy. What is that?
For the car. The detailing.
Spray for the car, pan
The
detail.
detailing
Okay.
spray.
And there's Quincy. Hi,
One
Quincy
that
boy.
fixes for a washing machine.
Washing machine cleaner. Para sa washing machine natin. What else do you have? Guys, grabe si Austin. Kung ano ng mga abubot na nagbibili.
Hindi, kasi para yung TV malagay na sa room. I have to buy
Ah, okay.
stand.
So he bought a different stand. And there's Quincy. Quincy's like, give me the box. Yan, gusto niya yung box. Ala, gusto niya yung box. Quincy, say hi to your friends. I-move mo yung box banda dun, Austin. Gusto ni Quincy. Yan. Gusto ni Quincy yan. Quincy, there's the box. What is that one?
I think this is for garden.
It's for the garden? You bought something for the garden?
Hindi, for garden.
Ah, for gardening. Eto guys, yung parang, it's like a saw, yung pamputol ng mga branches ng trees. Kasi marami kaming puno dito sa amin. We have like what, 20 trees? 20, so, alam nyo ba magkano yung charge sa amin para lang i-trim yung mga puno? Kung i-convert ko sa pesos, siguro more than 120,000. Grabe, ang mahal. Kaya nga, I was like, nako, ang mahal talaga. Nagpatanggal lang kami ng 2 puno. Ang grabe ng singil. Mahal talaga dito sa States, guys, yung mga,
Kind of like the one we have. Pero may
yung singil ng mga labor dito. It's very expensive. Kaya nga, pag napapanood ko yung vlog ni Roel, yun yung nagpapagawa siya ng resort niya. Ang mura ng mga like yung labor nila, 700 pesos a day. That's less than $20 for the whole day. Eh dito, minimum wage dito is $20 an hour, which is more than 1,000 pesos, more than 1,000 pesos an hour. Sige, tingnan pa natin kung ano interesting na bubuksan ni Austin. Ano na naman yan? Ay, my goodness. So, you bought shoes. Ano klase ng shoes yan? Jordan 3s. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Mahal ba yan? Ay, nako guys. Like I said, kalalaking taong hiling mag-shopping. What is that? Suotin mo yan, Austin. Kasi guys, si Austin nagkukolekto ng sapatos siya. And I would tell him, suotin niya na. Kasi yung mga shoes, after a while, if you don't wear it, tapos iiwan mo lang sa closet, yung yung rubber niya, nagde-detach dun sa shoes itself. So may di ba meron ka ng mga Jordan sa ganun na nangyari? Ang dami. See? Kaya suotin mo, Austin. Wait. Okay. Most of my amigas na nanonood sa akin, mga babae, so I doubt that they know this. Konti lang naman nanonood sa akin na lalaki eh. Si Gartags, si One Leg Vlog. Sino pa ba? So sila siguro alam nila yan. Ano naman yan? Cat food na naman yan. Ako, maboard ang mga guys yan. Pero guys, cat food daw yan. So guys, proud si Austin. Gusto nyo daw ipakita sa inyo yung cat food na binili niya.
Yan naman ang brand nila.
Yan ang brand ng mga kitty cats. Shiba.
And then isang wet food.
Yan yung isang... Dalawang klaseng wet food na kinukuha ni Austin. Isang Shiba at isang wellness na wet food. Yun yung favorite ng tatlo. Kaya guys, so tingnan nyo. Ano tataba? Nag-sale daw. And here's another one. Another cat food. Favorite nilang dry food yan. So we mix that with yung wellness. Love na love mo talaga yung mga kitty cats, Austin, ano? Love na love talaga niya yan. Kita mo naman, no? Spoiled yung mga kitties. What's that one? Ako, guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung in-order ko. Tara! You know what these are? Sige, open to Austin. They're like flowers. Tapos, you can put like the stick in the back. Ang ganda niya, guys. So, I ordered this from a florist. And ang ganda, oh, they look like crystals. So I was thinking, oh my God, guys. Nag-order si Austin ng lightsaber kasi he loves, Star Wars. My goodness. Is that the one na yung pinapad mo na parang totoo? Oh my goodness. Guys, grabe si Austin, Ang dami niya kini-Christmas gift sa sarili niya. Ako, ano Christmas gift ko? Ha? Ang Christmas gift ni Austin, guys, trip sa Thailand. Yung favorite naming destination. And then, ang hotel namin na favorite, Amari. So, we're staying there for 1 week. So, ayan, lightsaber daw, guys. Guys, may guest tayo. Very rare appearance ni Ellie Girl. Narinig niya yata, Austin, yung lightsaber mo, kaya lumapit siya. Sabi niya, hi guys! I just wanted to see what's going on. And guys, last but not the least, ayan na, hindi niya na to guys bubuksan. Alam niyo naman kung ano na yan. Mahilig sa TV si Austin, guys. So, what is this one? Okay. Kasi yung Apple mo, luma na yun, Mabagal na siya, Austin. Ayan, guys. So, that's the grand finale. Ayan. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching our Abre vlog with Austin. And I love this. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Ganda, no? Gusto ko to lang kita, guys. Naalala nyo yung vlog ko na we went to a Filipino bakery and they had a Christmas tree and ito lahat yung parang ornaments nila. And I was like, it's so pretty. Ang ganda sa personal. And then so I just checked it out. Tapos nakita ko yung tag and then I looked for it online and I ordered it. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching again. And ayan yung abre-abre ni Austin. Hilig mag-shopping. So, binili mo to lahat sa Amazon. And then, yung mga parang what they call this, plumeria flowers there. Nabili ko yan sa Home Goods. And there's the tree. Ayan. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. We're gonna go ahead and clean this up. Ay, Diyos ko tayo. Ang dami niyang ilalagay na boxes na sa recycle. O, sige guys ha. Thank you very much. I hope all of you are doing well. And buti naman, nabili ni Austin to karamihan sale. So, right, Austin? Nabili mo siya mga sale. They're all Black Friday deals daw. Kasi pag hindi naman kasi Black Friday, ang mahal masyado bilhin, no? Yan. So, anyways, thank you again for watching. Till next time. Ano na lang, Austin, 5 more weeks. And we'll be in the Philippines. And you never know, pag pumunta kayo sa Greenbelt, baka makita nyo kami doon naglalakad. Kasi diba doon yung place namin. So usually, doon kami nag-grocery, doon kami, tawag dito, kumakain kasi it's walking distance from our place. So if you guys ever see us, okay, mahiya, say hi. And, nga pala, meron pa ditong nakatira sa Bicol na nanonood sa amin. Anyways, just let me know. Thank you guys! Where's the cats? Kitty cats. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Ayan sila, Sige. Bye, guys!